Hi students, so this is an important question on the vernier caliper this is a previous year question of 2016 JEE Advanced. So in this there is some unique type of question. So in the first case they have given a regular vernier caliper, but in the second case they have given a bit different type of vernier caliper. So let's discuss this one, how to solve this question. Okay, so this is given that there are two vernier calipers, both of which have 1 centimeter divided into 10 equal divisions. From here we will calculate the MSD, main scale division. The vernier scale of one of the caliper C1 has 10 equal divisions that correspond to 9 main scale division. Okay, so in the C1 the case is given that 10 VSD equals to 9 MSD. This is given MSD, and 1 MSD for both the type of vernier caliper is 0.1 centimeter. Why? Because 1 centimeter is equally divided into 10 parts. Now we need to find out this reading of the C1. Okay, they have also stated about the C2, so we need to find out the reading of the C1 and C2. So let's first find out the C1. So for C1, what we do according to the steps, I will first take the measurement of the main scale. So here this is the measurement of main scale, right? So what is that measurement? That is 2.5678, right? So that is 2.8. So it means MSR is 2.8 centimeter. And then next we need to find out VSR. So VSR is, this division is matching with the main scale, so VSR is 7, and we need to also calculate the least count. So least count is, in this case it is 1 MSD minus 1 VSD, so that is 1 MSD is 0.1 centimeter, and from here if we calculate 1 VSD, so that will be 9 by 10 of the MSD, where MSD is 0.1, so that's why that will be 0.09 centimeter. This is 1 VSD, so that's why minus 0.09 centimeter. So least count is 0.01 centimeter. This is the least count of in general scale as well, so you can use directly that one. So now let's find out the reading. So reading is, we have discussed the formula in the lectures of vernier caliper. So if you do not know about how to calculate the measurement in the vernier caliper, so then you can watch that video of the vernier caliper. That link will be on the description. So let's calculate the reading. So that is MSR plus least count multiplied by VSR. So MSR is 2.8 plus least count is 0.01 multiplied by 7, so that is 2.87 centimeter. This is the first reading of C1. So now let's calculate the C2. For C2, the condition given in the question is that the reading that vernier caliper of other caliper has 10 equal divisions that correspond to 11 main scale divisions. Okay, so it is given into this that the 10 VSD equals to 11 MSD. So here VSD is greater than the MSD, so VSD will be 11 by 10 multiplied by MSD is 0.1, so it means that is 1.1, right? That is 0.11 centimeter. That is 0.11 centimeter. So this is VSD. Now we need to find out this total reading. So see, we know that this much length is 2.8, and we need to find out this extra length. Let me zoom it. So we need to find out, okay, I'm just zooming it. So this much extra length we need to find out how much is that. We know that this is 2.8 and this much length we need to find out. Okay, so let's calculate that length. So to find out that length, what should I do? What will I do in this case? So in this case, to find out that length, what I will do, I will take a length starting from 2.8 to that scale of main scale, that division of main scale where the 1 year scale is matching. So I will consider this one as x. Okay, I hope this is visible to you. This is x, which is starting from this point ending on to the point where the main scale division is matching with the 1 year scale division. So I am considering this as x and this length as y, this length as y. So see, now I can say that the reading is, or measurement is, main scale reading. Here in this case MSR is 2.8 centimeter, the reading just before the 0 of the 1 year scale. Now next we need to find out x minus y, right? So MSR is 2.8. Now x is this much total length, and I know that in this length there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divisions, 8 main scale division are there. So can I say that the x is 8 multiplied by 1 MSD, and 1 MSD is 0.1, right? Okay. Now next, minus this length y. I can say that there are how many divisions, how many 1 year scale divisions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 1 year scale division, and how much is 1 year scale division? 0.11 centimeter. So 0.11 centimeter, right? So this is 2.8 plus 0.8 minus 0.77 centimeter. So this is, if I calculate 2.8 and 0.8 minus 0.77, so that is 0.3. So that is 2.83 centimeter. So this is the answer of C2. So C2 is 2.83 and we have calculated previously C1 is 2.87. So now which option is correct? So this option is correct. Option B is correct. This is correct. So this is how we can find out the reading. Into the unfamiliar kind of this situation, we need to just apply the length formula. Somehow we need to find out the total length, so that is MSR plus x minus y, and somehow you need to calculate x minus y. So okay, so let's end over here. Thank you for watching.